Make learning fun. It might be difficult as an educator or parent to make learning appear enjoyable to your pupils or children. It's time to think outside the box if typical learning approaches aren't engaging kids. Individualized, imaginative, and tech-based learning techniques will capture their interest. Here are some tips for you to make learning fun. Number 1. Incorporate the interests. It is simpler to engage your students in the class and get them interested about the subject if you appeal to their hobbies. Take the time as an educator to inquire about your pupils' hobbies and interests. Find a way to incorporate their hobbies into your lesson ideas if at all possible. Allow your students to suggest themes or bring in resources they appreciate and wish to share with the class, such as books, games, or apps. Find ways to combine your child's interests with instructional information as a parent. Find books and instructional games about trucks if they are interested in them. Use sheet music to explore fractions if they enjoy music. Number 2. Allow creativity. Allow their imagination to run wild rather than restricting or controlling it. Design classes that encourage the use of arts and crafts, role-playing, or a variety of other comparable activities to help them express their creativity. Have your pupils hold a pretend trial when educating them about the judicial branch. When studying historical personalities with younger pupils, have them dress up like their subject for a formal presentation. Give your children the opportunity to express themselves in a number of ways. Allow them to pick how they want to communicate their learning by providing them with a variety of project possibilities. For a history lesson, let students choose between writing a story, drawing a picture, or conducting a reenactment. Number 3. Instructive Games. Allow your students to play an educational game to test their new knowledge after you've taught them a lesson or studied a concept with them. Search the internet for a relevant educational game or download an app to your tablet. Make a review game or a trivia contest based on a popular game show. Playing board games or card games with your pupils or youngsters is a good idea. Number 4. Abstract concepts. Students are exposed to a variety of abstract concepts that appear to be unrelated to their daily lives throughout their school careers. When teaching a new subject, it's crucial to demonstrate how the concepts are used in everyday life. Set up a store or a lemonade stand for the youngsters to learn about arithmetic and commercial ideas. Encourage them to set prices, monitor inventory, and keep track of the money. Request that students locate recent news items or television clips that relate to what they are learning in class. Number 5. Digital projects. Children today are born into a digital world. They adore technology and are masters of its application. Use their eagerness to use technology to your advantage by incorporating it into their work. Allow them to use a digital camera to record their experiences rather than writing a journal. Allow pupils to undertake research using laptops and tablets. Instruct pupils to make websites, videos, or a podcast. Allow children to listen to mandatory readings. Number 6. Technology. As educators and parents, you can capitalize on children's enthusiasm for all things digital to make learning more enjoyable. Use digital presentation tools to present your lessons in addition to speaking. Incorporate small instructive films into your lectures if you're a teacher. If you're a parent, short educational movies can help your youngster understand things he or she is having trouble grasping. Allow your children to learn how to code instead of learning a foreign language. Number 7. Educational programming. Consider using instructional videos, podcasts, and plays to supplement lectures and traditional readings as a teacher or parent. Audiovisual resources can fascinate children who may appear inattentive during a lecture. Show and listen to items that are pertinent to the children's education. Take your class or child to attend the theatrical production as a prize for finishing a wonderful work of literature. Number 8. Video games and educational apps. Educational apps and computer games have become increasingly important in instilling fundamental skills and concepts in our children. These educational technologies, when used in conjunction with traditional learning approaches, can help students do better in class. Other advantages include improving children's technological abilities, accessibility and portability. Alternative learning approaches are introduced, making the most of free time.
To get latest videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to share with your friends and family.